In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem step by step. If your ads are approved but not spending money, not getting impressions, or showing a not delivering status inside Ads Manager, don't worry. This is a very common issue for advertisers, and in most cases, it can be fixed quickly once you identify the real cause. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common reasons why Facebook ads stop delivering and how to solve them. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your advertising account and open the campaign that is not delivering properly. Once you're inside Ads Manager, check the delivery column to confirm the exact status of your campaign, ad set, or ad. One of the most common reasons ads stop delivering is because the campaign is still in review. Facebook sometimes takes longer to approve ads depending on the account history, ad category, or recent account activity. If your ad is still under review, you may simply need to wait a little longer before delivery begins. Next, check your account spending limit and payment method. Go to Billing and Payments inside Ads Manager and make sure your payment method is active and hasn't been declined. If there's an unpaid balance or billing issue, Facebook may completely stop ad delivery until the payment problem is resolved. Another major reason for delivery problems is audience size. If your targeting is too narrow, Facebook may struggle to find enough people to show your ads to. Open your ad set settings and review your targeting options. Try broadening your audience by increasing locations, age ranges, interests, or behaviors to give Facebook more people to optimize toward. You should also check your campaign budget and bid strategy. Extremely low budgets or aggressive manual bid settings can prevent ads from entering auctions successfully. In many cases, increasing your daily budget slightly or switching to automatic bidding can help restore delivery quickly. Another important step is reviewing your ad quality and policy compliance. If your ads were recently rejected, limited, or flagged for low-quality content, Facebook may reduce delivery significantly. Make sure your ad creatives, landing pages, and copy follow Meta advertising policies and avoid misleading claims, restricted content, or poor user experience. If you recently edited the campaign multiple times, Facebook's learning phase may also affect delivery temporarily. Frequent changes to targeting, budgets, or creatives can reset optimization and slow down performance. Sometimes the best solution is simply allowing the campaign to stabilize for several hours before making more edits. You should also verify that your pixel or conversion tracking is working correctly if you're optimizing for conversions. A broken pixel or missing event setup can confuse Facebook's optimization system and reduce delivery performance. Use the Meta Events Manager tool to confirm your events are firing properly. If none of these fixes work, try duplicating the campaign or ad set and launching a fresh version. Sometimes older campaigns become stuck due to optimization or delivery issues, and creating a clean duplicate can solve the problem almost instantly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem. By checking billing issues, audience targeting, budgets, ad quality, and optimization settings, you can usually get your campaigns delivering again very quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.